Just finished up this sod renovation here in the Cherry Grove area. As I said before, we're putting in St. Augustine sod. And you can see that's a big difference from where we started. St. Augustine is a very pretty grass. It's very dark green, which is unusual for warm season grasses. The particular type we have around here, centipede, is more of a lime green color, or Granny Smith apple green. But everything's looking good. Next thing to do is to get our irrigation all set. And this lawn already looks like it's been here for years, so it's gonna be beautiful. Just had our irrigation system put in by a local company, local contractor. And there's our finished product. A beautiful yard for a beautiful view.